If you're feeling stuck with the pentatonic scale and you feel confined to a single area on the fretboard, then look no further because today we are going to look at how to expand the range of that very scale. This concept will unlock new worlds for you as you continue to study your leads and your solo techniques. While the first form of the pentatonic scale is timeless and beloved by guitarists everywhere, today we're going to look at how to enhance the scale by literally sliding outside the box. At Char Guitar, I'm here to get players like you unstuck with their guitar playing. If you're looking to break free from any of the sticking points you have with guitar playing in addition to the pentatonic scale, I would love to give you my free practice guide as a gift. This guide gives you scientifically based hacks and steps on how to achieve any musical goal you want. Just click the link in the description of this video or go to zachsharguitar.com and get your free practice guide. So just to dive into the foundation of this video, we're going to review the pentatonic scale, specifically the minor pentatonic scale, for those of you who may not know it already, or for those of you who just need a simple review of it. So we're going to be in the key of A minor for this, so that will be the A minor pentatonic scale. And what boxes you in on this whole form is keeping your index finger across the 5th fret, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play that scale. And keep in mind, this is just one of 5 different forms of the pentatonic scale. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start out on the low E string. We're going to do frets 5 and 8 right there. Jumping down to the A string, we're going to do frets 5 and 7. 5 and 7 again on the D string. Jumping down to the G string, we're going to do 5 and 7 again. Then below that to the B string, we're going to do frets 5 and 8. And then we're going to repeat 5 and 8 on the E string just under that. So here's the whole first form of the minor pentatonic scale. Alright, so here's where we're going to step outside the box, literally, okay? We're going to literally slide in and out of the box. So already we're going to play frets 3 and 5 right away on that low E string. Do the same thing below that on the A string, frets 3 and 5 there. So we were just out of the box, now we're going to slide into the box by using our ring finger of our left hand to slide from frets 5 to 7. So from the top we have this. And now that we're brought back into the first form of the pentatonic scale, when we were at the starting point, we were actually at the 5th form of the pentatonic scale. But since we're back in form 1, we're going to continue as it is for the next 2 strings, okay? So that will be frets 5 and 7 on the D string, and frets 5 and 7 on the G string. But on the G string, we're going to want to set ourselves up to slide out of the box again. So you're going to play fret 5 as you normally would with your index finger on the 5th fret. And then you might want to use your middle finger on fret 7 of the G string. And then from here, when we slide, we're going to slide with that middle finger to the 9th fret of the G string. Okay, so from the top, here's what we have. So now we just landed ourselves into form 2 of the pentatonic scale, at least part of it. Like when we were at form 5 at the start of it, that was just part of the 5th form. But anyway, to continue the sequence, you're gonna play frets 8 and 10 on the B string, and frets 8 and 10 again on the E string. And this sets us up nicely in the 2nd form of the pentatonic scale. So just to point out what we did with the fretboard real estate here, we went from covering 4 frets in that form 1 pentatonic scale box, and we doubled it to covering 8 frets from the 3rd fret to the 10th fret. Now we're gonna back it up, okay? So we're gonna play frets 10 and 8 of the E string, 10 and 8 of the B string, 9 and 7 of the G string, slide over to fret 5 of the G string with the index finger, fret 7 and 5 of the D string, fret 7 and 5 again of the A string, slide back to the 3rd fret of the A string with your index finger, and then finish it off with frets 5 and 3 of the low E string. And if you want to resolve that, you can just resolve it by playing the A on the 5th fret of the low E string. So here's the whole sequence, ascending and descending. So now that we finished that off, we can either stay in the 5th form of the pentatonic scale, or we could slide right back into form 1 again. Or just do the full thing like we did and slide from the 5th form to the 2nd form. So now you've found one really cool way to expand your knowledge of the 1st form of the pentatonic scale. And by doing so, you slide in and out of the surrounding pentatonic scale forms. This should give you tons of new creative possibilities when you're trying to learn to solo and try to write leads of your own. So we just got unstuck with that. So if you want to break free from other sticking points that are getting in the way of achieving your guitar goals, don't forget to check out my free practice guide. You can find it in the description of this video, and you can also find it at zachcharguitar.com. If you have any thoughts or questions about what we talked about in this video today, please feel free to drop a comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Zach with Zach Char Guitar, and I will see you in the next one.